So the Church of Willemstad, which comprised 6 islands, including Aruba and Bonaire, St. Martin, Statius, Saba, and Curacao, is part of the Diocese of Port of Spain, which is the metropolitan see. And as the Archbishop, when Luis Secco, the former bishop, time came for retirement, I was asked to be the administrator here, preparing the diocese, working with the diocese for a new bishop to come. We have, since Friday, I've been in Curacao and now here, met with all the clergy, all the vicars, some lay people, and had conversations listening to their dreams and desires for the church, and had a great conversation with the priest here in Aruba today and the priest in Curacao on Monday. And we have one common vision, that we want to work towards union and communion within this diocese. And that means solidarity, not just internally, but externally with people in society. That means reaching out ecumenically. That means that we work more with the poor and ensure that people have what they need. And that the church does what the church is supposed to do, but in a state of union where we work deeply together and show a visible sign of unity to the world. It's an important moment because the diocese is in a transition. We've had one bishop who has been the bishop for 24 years, and he's just retired. And now you have an administrator holding the diocese for the next period of time. And then we wait and prepare for a bishop to come in some time when it is ready. But this is an important moment because it's a transition. It's marking, looking back at 24 years and seeing what were the many blessings and graces of that, looking forward to the next stage and asking, what are we supposed to be doing as church? What is God asking of us?
Mirando ko Arsobispo tame presidente di Conferência Episcopal di Caribe e também tem seu trabalho como Arsobispo de Trinidad, que é um arquidiocese hopi grande, e trabalho na hopi pe. Então, ele apontame como delegado que também representei aqui na cultura, capacidade, habilidade, como ministério para me por executar o trabalho aqui. A ideia está que nós, o arcebispo, está canando na Ture e Isla para conhecer a Isla. The purpose of our Archbishop is to also to visit the islands and get to know a little bit of the islands, get about a little bit of the reality that is going on, but also to get a sense of direction of the diocese. Dus ik conhecer também tiki e sentido de direção caminda e diocese me se vai em preparação para isso que que da apontar não sei quando, não sei que dia, para você não me apontar nem dia nem hora nem quando que nos papa nombra obispo nobo.